In this video, you'll learn how to create an availability schedule in Calendly. By following these steps, you will set specific times when others can book meetings with you, ensuring better management of your time and commitments. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you are logged in, look at the left menu on your screen. You will find various options listed there. Click on the option labeled Availability to proceed to the availability settings. Within the Availability section, you will see an option to click on Plus New Schedule to create a new availability schedule. If you prefer to modify an existing schedule, you can select it instead. After making your choice, you will move on to the next step. At this point, you will need to name your schedule. This name will help you identify the schedule in the future for reuse. Consider names like work hours, client meetings, or weekend availability. After entering a suitable name, click on Create to save this information. Now, you will define the days and hours when people can book you. Start by selecting the days you want to be available. You can turn on the days such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Next, you will set the time range for each selected day. Choose a start time and an end time, for example, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Monday through Friday. If you wish to divide your available hours into multiple blocks, you can do that as well. For instance, you might want to set one block from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and another from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. To add another time block, click on plus add hours. This feature is particularly useful for accommodating lunch breaks or evening sessions. It's essential to confirm your time zone at the top of the schedule. This ensures that your invitees will see the correct meeting times converted to their local time zone. Accurate time zone settings help prevent scheduling conflicts and confusion. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Date Overrides. This feature allows you to block out specific days such as holidays or vacations. To add a date override, click on Add Date Override. You will then select the date and set the hours as either available or unavailable. Once you've configured all the necessary options, click on Save and Close. Your availability schedule is now created and ready for use. However, creating the schedule is only part of the process. To ensure your new availability schedule is linked to an event type, navigate to the Event Types section. Select the meeting type that you want to associate with your schedule. Open the settings labeled When Can People Book This Event? Here, choose your newly created availability schedule and then click Save. Your bookings will now follow the schedule you have set. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.